Hey there, I'm hosting a game jam for my birthday with cash prizes. Head on over to itch.io. I will put a link in the description to the game jam description. So you have the remainder of January all the way up to before February 10th, which is my birthday, to submit your entry. And there are a few requirements. First, you need to use Unity 2020, any of the long-term supported versions. You must use the Unity input system. You can only have one scene. You must have no more than 5 materials. You can only use primitive game object. You cannot use ProBuilder to make your own game objects. You can't use Blender. Only primitive game objects. No art assets are allowed. If you want to add sound effects or music, they must be created by your body or your mouth. So you get a microphone and you can just make your music, make your sound effects. You can't use any instruments. All got to be done with your body or with your mouth. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. You can use an equalizer and stuff to adjust treble, gain, and stuff like that, but no sound effects. So you can't make yourself sound robotic using software filters. Your project must be built for WebGL, so it can be played right through the web browser. Use 960 by 600 as the default canvas width and height. And for a lot of stuff during this game jam, I'm going to be doing more videos to kind of show different pieces so that newbies who want to get involved with this, they can. And I'll walk you through step by step through short videos on my YouTube channel and how to get this type of project set up for WebGL, how to change your resolution, and then I'll go into more detail about what primitive game objects are. With all those restrictions, what can you use? You can use any other tool that you want to use, as long as they don't violate any of the previous restrictions. So basically, I want your game to look like you only used Unity built-in game objects. This should be a lot of fun because it should highlight specifically your game idea. There won't be any distractions to take away from that idea. So this is a very specific prototype vertical slice type game jam. And the other restrictions like Unity 2020, the new input system, the reason I did that is you may be like me and you may have gotten comfortable and used to like Unity 2019. You're finally comfortable with the old input system. And I finally pushed myself to jump to Unity 2020, try out the new input system, because that's where the new stuff is. And you're going to want to learn that eventually. So now is a great opportunity to do that. I've already gotten some comments from folks who are like, boy, Philip, I really want to participate, but I don't think I have any time. This isn't going to take you too much time. Think about an idea that you have. You're only using primitive game objects. It's not going to take a lot of logic to do a vertical slice for this. So if you only got 30 minutes, an hour, 3 hours to work on this, that's fine. Slap together a submission, put it up. You never know, you might win one of the prizes. All right, so stay tuned for more videos that'll help guide anybody who's new or who's never used WebGL to publish before, and to help you guide you through this process. We only have like 28 days left, so hopefully I can get those videos out soon.